we really gear up for this. That's why I only do I did 3 a year. Now I'm 2 a year. It's just we put so much into this for you, and I want to make sure whatever you need, you let us know. This is our 8 weeks to be with you guys, holding your hand, answering questions, getting you wherever you want to be. This is going to be fun. One of the things about Career Path that I love is because it's such a small group, right? And we're going to spend a lot of time together the next 8 weeks. We all get to know each other pretty darn well, and it's pretty fun. I'll warn you right now, we feel it too at the end of the 8 weeks. On the first week we're not together, there's a little bit of withdrawals. We all kind of miss each other, but we do get together every month, so not too worried. This format loosely follows the steps that we outline in Land Academy, but we're here to take it to that top level, basically, not even the next level. The top level. We're here to customize this. That's the beauty of this group, that it's never this big anyway, and by design, it'll never be 50 people in Career Path, because we want to really work with you and customize it to whatever you want. So, be thinking about, we'll go through the module and you'll see what we have planned, and then just be thinking about if there's anything more that you're going to want, let us know and we will work it in. We're going to cover everything that you need to know. And then within office hours, it's going to be all the extra wants to know. Anything you want to know, we'll definitely have that time. Throughout Career Path, I've seen a lot of partnerships made. And I was describing it to someone the other day, a sweet guy, Jason, who was in Career Path 2 or 3 times ago. By the end of Career Path, he's just phenomenal on the phone. This guy, but wasn't a strong data person. And by the end of Career Path, he had 2 or 3 guys from that group that he was set up answering their phones, and they worked out little side partnerships. We're like, okay.
He's a hairdresser, and he's buying and selling land. So I always say, I've said this to him many times, to his face, if you can do this, anybody can. We're here to make money and manage it, not only manage, but keep and grow legit passive income.
We ended up doing Career Path with them, which is a product that Jack and Jill put together that really teaches you how to really just immerse yourself in this business.
Hone in on all your skills.
We did that while Samantha was still working her W-2 job as a CPA. We hit the ground running with Career Path. We just really fell in love with the community and fell in love with just doing this. Samantha that since left her W-2 job.
Only took me a few months after Career Path.
I actually think it was during Career Path.
It was during Career Path they put in my notice.
I got to a point where I just really was stagnating, and I was really having a hard time figuring out how to scale. And so I came across Land Academy. A friend of mine told me about it. And so I jumped in, and I was like, this is it. I'm at the 1 year mark. It's been quite a year for me.
You stick with this, right? You were gonna do well. You're gonna succeed, and the success is a significant number.
Best thing I've ever done, you guys. Honestly, it saved my life. It really, it's been hard. Life happens, things happen, but it's the best decision I ever made. And you're gonna really love it if you just start.